Today we're going to hunt through 1,000 $1 bills to see if we can find some that are worth a lot more than just face value. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure and welcome back to the channel. We're going to be hunting 1,000 bills, looking for those collectible notes with fancy serial numbers. We'll be looking for any older bills, any bills that could be rare star notes, any web notes, bar notes, printing errors, you name it. That's what we're going to keep our eyes peeled for. Now, if you're new to my channel or new to bill hunting, I have a lot of clickable and resourceful links listed down below in the video description. And of course, if you'd just like to get one of my US Paper Notes collectible mats, I have those on my website, but I'll put a quick link to them right here as well. Now, for those of you following the channel, you know we like to go through these about once every couple of weeks. This pickup is not from my lucky bank. It's from a different bank. It's actually from my W bank. And while I was picking up half dollars for this week, I decided to get 1,000 $1 bills to see if that bank could be lucky since they've been lucky in half dollars. Now, obviously, these are teller straps. These are not Federal Reserve straps. So they could be searched through. We're hoping that they're not. But as always, we're going to go through them and see what we get. I'll be searching them off camera. And at the end of the strap, I'll do strap recaps. And of course, if I have a magnificent find during the hunt, we'll bring you right back in right away. All right, 10 straps to go through. Let's start with strap number 1. Strap number 1 had nothing fancy, but we did get ourselves our first star note. And as you know, I'm looking for 1 star note per strap. We'd like to have 10 for the hunt. And at the end of the hunt, we'll plug all of them into the star note lookup site to see if we have any more rare and valuable ones. 1 star note on the board. And we've got one almost a super repeater. A super repeater is 2 numbers that repeat 4 times. In this case, 38, 38, 38, 38. Man, it was close. 35, 64, 35, 35. 3 out of 4 times. Not fancy enough. It's damaged. We'll send it back. 1 keeper find in strap 1. Let's move on to strap number 2 now. Strap number 2 is pretty much a bust. Just a couple of notes worth mentioning. We had a close call here. It's got 4 different numbers in the serial number. Had that first one been a 7, a 0, or an 8, I probably would have kept it, but yeah. And it's a slight odometer note. The last digit, the 8, is slightly elevated, like it's changing on an odometer. But in this condition, we're not going to keep it. Just wanted to point that one out. And then we have a broken ladder of sorts. We have all the numbers almost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. No 6. Had it been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in mixed up order, I would take it. But being a mixed ladder and a broken ladder and having a crease, not worth keeping either. Again, a couple of close calls. Just wanted to point them out. We have 2 straps hunted, only 1 find. Hopefully strap 3 adds some more. Well, unfortunately, strap number 3 was another bust. We had a close call here of being a flipper note. Had that front number, the 2, been a 0, 6, or a 9, would have had a binary and a flipper note that you can read upside down. Kind of a cool bill, not keeping it. We will be keeping this beat up 1995 because I always check for those web notes, 88A, 93, and 95. We want that printing plate number above 1, not below. When I flip this around, unfortunately, the printing plate number right there is below, so it's not the valuable one, and it's in rough shape. We'll just go ahead and keep it, though, because it's an older bill. Still only 1 real find in 3 straps. Come on, strap number 4. Get us on track. Strap number 4. Just 1 find. It's another star note, our second of the hunt, 2017 A L series. We'll definitely take it, and hopefully we can find some more in strap number 5. Well, I'm back really quick. I haven't opened up strap number 5, but we almost had an ender. Holy cow. 3218 and almost a radar, 3215. Had that 5 right there been an 8 or had that 8 been a 5, we would have had a radar note. It's not one. Let's look inside. I'll be back with a recap. Strap number 5 ended up being the best strap of the bunch. We'll get to the first finds. We got another star note, 2017 A series, star note number 3 through 5 straps. I also keep any bill that has 5 of a kind in a row, either to start it, to end it, or in the middle. This has 5 5s. I will be keeping it. No extra value, but I'm putting together sets with these. And then 3 close calls. You already saw the first one was an ender, and so close to being a radar, but wasn't. Another close call to a radar, 6570, and if you read it backwards, 6510. So close again, and almost a repeater, 3709, 3799. So 3 close calls to repeaters and radars, although they're not. Still, we got a 5 of a kind bill and a star note, so 2 finds with a whole bunch of coulda-beens in strap 5. We're now halfway done with the straps, only 5 more to go. Hopefully, strap number 6 is as fun as the last one. Strap number 6 held out the star note cause, giving us 2 in that strap, a 2013 G Series and a 2017 L Series. Obviously, nothing fancy in there, but now we're up to 5 star notes through 6 straps, so we're almost back on pace. Let's see if strap number 7 can get us back on pace. Strap number 7 gave us our 6th star note. It's a little bit of an older one, pretty beat up, 2013 L Series. We'll add that over there. And then another broken and mixed ladder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Man, needed that 9 to be an 8. And it would have been a keeper note for me for sure. Not going to keep it because it is missing a digit in between the ladder. And it's also mixed, but I do keep them mixed if they're nice enough. That was a close call. 7 straps down. Let's see if strap 8 can give us another find. Well, strap number 8 came through for us, gave us 2 more star notes. We've got a 2017 F Series and a 2013 L Series. That makes 8 star notes now through 8 straps. On top of that, we had another 1995 note. This one in pretty nice shape overall. Unfortunately, not a web note, but man, that's a nice note. I'll definitely keep that older note for sure. And then, it's not really a fancy note, but holy cow, look how nice it does look. 00939 000. If those 3 zeros would have been in the front instead of the back, would have been a great note. But I think I'll hold on to this just for a little bit because it looks kind of cool. And besides, we need more finds. So we had 2 star notes and 2 keeper notes, 4 keepers out of the 8th strap of the hunt. And we're back on the 1-to-1 star notes with 2 straps left. Let's see what's in strap number 9 now. Well, I'm back because I thought it was funny that I was so busy recording that I didn't even see that we had a star note as an ender. We're going to have our 9th star note right there. And you can't get mad at that. 9 star notes. Now let's get into the strap. Strap number 9 has been hunted. You saw the first star note. I didn't show you towards the end of the strap. We got a 2nd star note. And take a look at this. 2013 B Series. And it's under 9.6 million. It's at 7.88 million, which means this is part of the 2013 duplicated B Series star notes. And online in any grade, these are selling between $20 and $30. And if they're crisp and circulated, it's selling for a lot more because you're trying to collect the pair. And I have information about that below. And we'll get to that when I look this up at the end with the star notes. But that makes 10 star notes now. We have 10 star notes and 9 straps. So definitely don't even need another one in this one. Anything else in here is just extra, which is nice. The other potential find was almost a bookender, 755-00705. It's a trinary note. We wanted that last 0 to be a 5. It would have been a nice bookender. I would have kept it all day, and I think I'm going to keep it even in this serial number because it's not in terrible shape, and it still looks kind of lucky to me. I don't know. For some reason, I'm keeping close calls today, so I'll add that over there. All right, 9 straps down. I've already got the star notes. Like I said, anything else is extra. Wouldn't mind something fancy as well. I'll be back with a strap recap after I hunt strap number 10. Well, I was hoping for a little gravy in the 10th and final strap. We didn't get any more star notes, so we got stuck with 10 for the hunt. I will take that. We also got another close call here, 085-00-587. Had that 7 been a 0, it would have been 0850 and 0850. Just another close call, 7 bills off from being a radar. Man. And then we got another 1995 note. That's our 3rd of the hunt. Unfortunately, printing plate is at the bottom, so it's not a web note, but still, I'll take 3 95 notes in a hunt all day long. I think the best find of the non-star note finds, if you will, is probably going to be the bill that has all the 5s in it. Unfortunately, nothing super fancy here, just some close calls and some ones I kept with some older bills. That being said, we have 10 star notes to plug into the startup lookup site. Let me get them plugged in. I'll let you know if we have any rare ones or ones worth more than a few bucks. I'm pretty sure this A series from 2021 is a rare one, and we know the B series 2013 is going to fetch more as well. But let me see what else we got. I'll be back in just a second with my findings. All right, we are back. I have finished plugging in all the star notes. Basically, these from 2013 are common. This is that B series we'll get to in a second. These from 2017 and 17A are also common. Star notes like those are worth about $2 or $3 a piece unless they were in crisp uncirculated condition. And the closest one was this one up here. And it was close to being one of the rare ones with only 25,000 printed, but it wasn't. The best notes of the bunch are these three. We'll kick it off with these two right here. We've got a 2017 A series, L03792280. It does have only a print run size of 640,000, which is pretty rare, about halfway up the rarity scale, but 4.34 million in total were printed. So based on that, and it's not in great shape, it's probably more common than rare. This A series from 2021, which I thought was that one because it's in such bad shape, I thought this was the older one. It is a lot more rare, 640K run size, 640K total printed, so only 640,000 of these, but this one's got discoloration, creases, folds, so yeah, despite it being a lot more rare, about halfway up the rarity scale on both, its condition makes it pretty much common. The final note was the 2013 B series. I went ahead and plugged it into the duplicated star note database, and I thought it was odd. Normally I get Fort Worth bills. This is a Washington, D.C. The FW would have the FW right there like Fort Worth. So typically I don't see Washington, D.C. printed notes in my area. I'll take it though. We've got it in the database. All that information is clickable down below. That being said, it was a great hunt overall. 10 star notes. We got 3 more rare ones with a lot more than face value. Like I said earlier, this one is worth about $20 to $30 easy, and these would be worth a lot more, $5 or $10, had they not been pretty beat up. I think that's going to wrap it up for today. If you guys enjoyed this 10-strap bill hunt as much as I did, I certainly would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.